In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth speaker to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, what I want to make very clear is that if you have already tried to connect your Bluetooth speaker to a PlayStation 5, usually you just get an error telling you that the device cannot be connected or that the PlayStation 5 doesn't support Bluetooth accessories. As weird as this is actually true. So you cannot connect a Bluetooth speaker like a soundbar, some headphones, or a normal one like this from JBL wirelessly through Bluetooth. So in this video, I'm going to show you all of the alternatives that you have if you still want to use Bluetooth. So the one that is most convenient and I believe will work for most people is going to be to connect the Bluetooth speaker to a TV instead. So instead of connecting it to your PlayStation 5, you connect it to a TV. If you don't like this approach, then you can skip ahead and there is one more method to directly connect it to your PlayStation 5. But for this one, you just go into your TV settings, you access the sound output category, and you will be able to choose Bluetooth speaker list. As long as your TV supports Bluetooth devices, you will be able to put your soundbar, your speaker, your headphones in pairing mode and connect them directly to the TV. Once they are properly set up, all of the audio being output to your TV will go to the speakers, and consequently, because your PlayStation 5 is being used on this TV, you should be able to listen to all of the audio. And all that you have to do to set up your speaker is usually to press the Bluetooth button to put it into pairing mode. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this approach will work if you don't mind using the speaker connected to your TV and a little bit of latency. However, if you don't like this approach or your TV doesn't even support Bluetooth, then the next best alternative is going to be to purchase an adapter. As you can clearly notice, this adapter will be plugged into a USB-C port on your PlayStation 5, and by plugging it in and pressing this button at the back, you will be able to connect the speaker to the adapter. So all that you have to do is press the pairing button on the speaker and then on the adapter. They will be able to connect between themselves, and once both of them have detected each other, they will remain connected and you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output by your PlayStation 5 through the speakers that you connected. And you can find adapters like these on places like Amazon. As you can see, this one from Ugreen, which is a very respectable brand, is going for $29.99. It is an option if you are willing to spend money. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth speaker to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.